Israel has, quite evidently, a country that is a 100% Sunni, Muslim, religious, devout, black, African country that really wants to be friends with Israel.
Somaliland springing to the world's attention. It sprung to prominence December last year when Israel was the first country in the world to recognise Somaliland as a state.
It kind of blew open the doors for international attention. It suddenly shoved Somaliland out of sort of diplomatic deep freeze out onto the stage, and also at an absolutely critical time for this region. The reason why geostrategically Somaliland is of such interest today is for exactly the same reasons that it became a British protectorate. It guards that critical pinch points between the Red Sea and the Indian Ocean. The United States, Israel, Britain is back looking at Somaliland because of that. Nothing has changed in that. The geostrategic location has not changed, the politics has. There is a new scramble for Africa.